Hey, I'm Chef Spike Mendelsohn in the Beyond Meat kitchen. Today, we're gonna be cooking up the revolutionary Beyond sausage, the first plant-based sausage in the meat case. So we want to heat our pans up to medium to high heat. Add a little bit of oil. The really important thing is you want to make sure you cook this through to about 165 degrees. And you just treat this just like a regular sausage. This is just part of the family now. And you want to constantly kind of rotate this and flip it, right? It's reached an internal temperature of about 165 degrees. Let's get this thing on the bun. So we're gonna start off with our pretzel bun, nice and toasted. We're gonna layer some sauerkraut on the bottom. Now we're gonna take our sausage, which is super well seared, put that right on top. I personally like a lot of relish. So we're gonna load this thing up. Just layer the green mustard just like that. All right, and here you go. We got that Beyond Kraut sausage. My kind of sausage party.